on in the evening, you can catch some night kiteboarding. These guys are flipping radical, I can tell you. We saw them last night. You'll be catching some of it during the week. And Arena 1, touch rugby in the evenings with the Tri-Nations around. But they don't only get extreme, but they do it at night under stadium-like floodlights. These are the guys who do night kiteboarding, and Siyabonga and Gwakazi went to find out what night kiteboarding was all about.
The sun is gone, but the fun must still continue. We're still here at the Vodacom Beach, Africa, checking out surfing of a different kind. This time it's kite surfing. This extreme sport is one of the fastest growing sports here in South Africa. We're here to check out a couple of volunteers to see how it's done.
The Wapika Night Kiteboard Expression Session, which is taking place here this week. We're hoping to do the event every night, but we need a favourable northeasterly wind. In France and Spain and countries like that where the surf is very small, it's blossomed, it's taken over. South Africa, it's Cape Town and Durban, they're the hot spots. And pretty much if you're on a Sunday afternoon drive and the wind's blowing, you go down the coast, you'll find a guy in the water on the kite. Fortunate thing about Durban, and it was one of the reasons why we actually went overseas and brought the tour back to South Africa, was the fact that we have surf. Most of the venues in the world, they do it on flat water. If you think about France and Turkey and places like that, they don't have surf. So here we add an element in our scoring of wave riding, which we score exactly the same as surfing. There's a cutbacks and the re-entries and even tube riding. But there's a lot of tricks involved in this sport, 360s and hangmen and Supermans, you name it. Another thing which happens in this sport is the individual kite surfer creates his own signature move, which is probably unique in the sport, where the guys do actually name a trick after themselves, and it pretty much takes it from there, and guys actually learn those tricks, and that's it, yeah.
Still to come, it's